Hello friends, welcome in own teacher channel. So let's start class 7th English. Chapter number 1.3, Little Girls Wiser Than Older People. So in this video we will see the workshop of this lesson. संपूर्ण स्वाध्याय. यापूर्वी जर आपण चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. या चॅनलवरती आपणास इयत्ता 6वी पासून ते 10वी पर्यंतचे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ पाहायला मिळतील. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Easter, a Christian festival and holiday that is celebrated in many countries. Easter is always a Sunday. Easter हा ख्रिश्चन धर्मियांचा सण. Rills, small streams of water. पाण्याचा एक स्रोत. पाईल, हेप. Guess the meaning of. पडल, डबके. कर्चीफ, रुमाल. बेस्पॅटर्ड म्हणजेच शिंतोडे उडवणे. Draw a map of the village using your imagination and the description given here. या ठिकाणी आपण गावाचा एक नकाशा काढलेला आहे. Draw the new dress of any one of the two girls. या ठिकाणी त्या दोघींपैकी एकाच्या ड्रेसचे चित्र काढण्यास सांगितले आहे. Find out how Easter is celebrated. ईस्टर कशा पद्धतीने साजरा केला जातो. Many Christians worldwide celebrate Easter with special church services, music, candlelight, flowers and ringing of church bells. Why did Akulka want to strike Malasha? Akulka wanted to strike Malasha because Malasha spoiled her new dress with dirty water in the puddle. Akulka Malashala मारणार होती कारण मलाशाने तिचा नवीन ड्रेस डबक्यातल्या घाणेरड्या पाण्याने खराब केला होता. Why did Malasha run home? मलाशा घराकडे का पळाली? Malasha ran home because she was frightened that she would be punished. मलाशा ही घाबरली होती की तिला आता शिक्षा मिळेल म्हणून ती घराकडे पळाली. List all the words that refer to speaking in the story. Speaking म्हणजे बोलत आहे. यासाठी वापरण्यात आलेले शब्द. For example, said, scold, scolded, replied. याप्रमाणे पाठात आलेले cursed, talk आणि say. Guess the meaning of one word brought back another. म्हणजेच शब्दांनी शब्द वाढणे. In what sense are the words used here? या ठिकाणी जे शब्द आहेत ते पाठात कोणत्या अर्थाने आलेले आहेत? Crying, shouting, holiday, Easter. Knocked her off her feet means made her fall. Did the people stop fighting? लोकांनी ते भांडण थांबवले का? No, the people did not stop fighting. What did Akulka do? Akulkaने काय केले? Akulka began to scratch the ground with a pebble to let the water off into the street. What did Malasha do? Malashaने काय केले? Malasha helped Akulka by widening the rail with a chip. मलाशाने तिला मदतच केलेली आहे या ठिकाणी. What was the old woman trying to do? ती म्हातारी स्त्री काय प्रयत्न करत होती? The old woman was trying to separate the quarreling men. ते भांडणारे मनुष्य एकमेकांपासून दूर करण्याचा ती प्रयत्न करत होती. Did the girls forget their quarrel? त्या मुली त्यांची भांडण विसरल्या का? Yes. The girls soon forgot their quarrel. How can we say that? आपण हे कसे सांगू शकतो? Soon the girls were found playing with each other again, forgetting their quarrel. लवकरच त्या दोघीही खेळताना दिसत होत्या, त्यांचे भांडण विसरून. Why did the men feel ashamed? त्या माणसांना त्यांच्या कृतीची लाज का वाटली? The men felt ashamed because the girls who were the cause of their fighting had forgotten their quarrel and started playing with each other. कारण ज्या दोन मुलींसाठी ते भांडण करत होते त्या दोघी भांडण विसरून एकमेकींसोबत खेळत होत्या. Are children wiser than grown-ups? In what way? Yes, children are certainly wiser than grown-ups because children are innocent, any ego, whereas the grown-ups are revengeful and egoistic. लहान मुलेही निरागस असतात, पण मोठी माणसे ही त्याप्रमाणे नसतात. Should grown-up people get involved in children's quarrel? If yes, when? If not, why? Grown-ups should never get involved in children's quarrel because the children soon forget their quarrel. They don't carry ill feeling for each other. They are very innocent and simple-hearted, so the best thing is to let them be to themselves. मोठ्यांनी लहानांच्या भांडणात पडू नये, कारण लहान मुले ही खूप निरागस असतात आणि लवकरच ती त्यांचे भांडण विसरून पुन्हा खेळण्यासाठी एकत्र येतात. त्यामुळे मोठ्यांनी त्यांच्या भांडणात न पडलेलेच योग्य. So let's start now English workshop. Read aloud with proper intonation. Don't go. I'm afraid. Never mind. Look out. Shame on you. Spot the names of body parts from the story. Add 3 other names on your own. या ठिकाणी पाठात आलेले शरीराचे भाग अवयव: head, ankle, foot, nose, eyes and neck. List the characters in the story and write their approximate ages. So first we will see the characters. Akulka's grandmother, age 60 years, that is approximate. Malasha's mother, 40 years. Akulka's mother, 30 to 35 years. Akulka, 7 to 8 years. Malasha, 5 to 6 years. Question 4. Write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. Then write how and when the people stopped fighting. So first, the fight. Akulka's mother hit Malasha. Malasha's mother scolded her neighbor. The women began to quarrel. The men scolded and cursed each other. One man pushed another man. The fight began. The men knocked her off her feet. And how the fight came to an end. Grandmother stepped in and began to talk to the quarreling peasants. She tried to stop them. The girls came from each side of the rail laughing. The grandmother pointed this to the quarreling peasants. The man looked at the girls and felt ashamed and went away to their farms. Question 6. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentence. I will take off my shoes and you do the same. I will remove my hat and you do the same. This is a time for rejoicing. It's time for celebrating. Question 7. Read, remember and write. Dress, dressed. Want, wanted, jump, jumped, grasp, grasped, gather, gathered, look, looked, start, started, walk, walked, pass, passed, pick, picked, laugh, laughed, scatter, scattered, run, ran, bring, brought, reply, replied, sing, song, take, took, come, came, fight, fought, begin, began, get, got, say, said, meet, met, try, tried, see, saw, give, gave. So friends, thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to share and like the video.